I'm creating my shuffle dictionary, slow then fast. Crisscross, Charleston, chicken leg, D&B, and glides. Gonna take them slow and then take them fast. Crisscross, I do it 2 ways. Now I do them out. Charleston, just the simple Charleston. Forward and back and forward. Let me take that slower. Chicken leg, toe, 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 heel, toe. D&B, a little slower. And then glides. Really need to work on these, but here they are. Really trying to learn to work my feet. So I hope you'll create your shuffle dictionary soon. So here they are, put together a little bit faster. And glides. So there's Shuffle Dictionary, Part 1 for a semi-beginner shuffler.